How to add stops in Uber ride. So if you're in a ride and then you decide that you want to add a stop during a ride, well, unfortunately it is not possible to add stops during a ride. So you must have done this process before the ride was already booked and confirmed, right? So when you tap on the enter pickup point option, before you enter your, let's say, pickup point and destination, in between, if you want to add a stop, you can tap on the plus icon there to actually add a stop. And you can also add another stop depending upon how much you want to add it. And once you've done that, you can also cross out either of these stops. So you can add up to 2 stops. Then you can tap on the done option to do it. But unfortunately, if you've already booked your ride and you are in your ride, then actually you will not be able to go ahead and then basically add a stop. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.